Lawyers for Baha Mar get the green light today to take their fight to the Court of Appeal.
They're seeking to overturn a decision by Supreme Court Justice Ian Winder to dismiss a Chapter 11 bankruptcy order filed in the United States. Here's Fern Carey.
Supreme Court Judge Ian Winder granted Baha Mar leave or the right to appeal the ruling to dismiss the resort's application to have its Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings recognized by the Bahamian courts. During the proceedings, Crown prosecutors and attorneys for China Construction Company and China Exim Bank all indicated that Baha Mar's application for leave to appeal was misconceived and ought to be dismissed. They noted that the judge's ruling was a final order, which means that Baha Mar could have gone directly to the Court of Appeal rather than seeking leave from the Supreme Court. Crown Prosecutor Lauren Klein also indicated that there is no new point to argue or consider at the Court of Appeal, and Baha Mar's application is doomed to fail. After hearing from all sides, Justice Ian Winder granted Baha Mar leave to appeal. Baha Mar's attorney, Patrick Ryan, spoke to reporters outside court.
If you make an application and your application is granted, you're pleased that that's happened. So I'm pleased.
In his written ruling released Friday, July 31st, Justice Winder explained why he dismissed Baha Mar's application seeking various orders and relief in aid of its bankruptcy proceedings. He noted, among other things, that he could not treat the U.S. bankruptcy as a domestic insolvency and thereby access statutory provisions which were created for the purposes of a domestic insolvency. He also noted that for the court to extend an automatic stay to a foreign insolvency in the absence of a winding up order or appointment of a provisional liquidator would amount to adjusting the legislation to suit the applicant's case in a manner not permitted by the legislation. Justice Winder also pointed out that the granting of the assistance sought by Baha Mar is contrary to public policy in protecting the rights of secured creditors to enforce their security outside of and insulated from any insolvency process. He noted that there is no equivalent to Chapter 11 and the Bahamian law by which the breathing space Baha Mar sought to complete the development can be created or new capital can be injected on terms acceptable to any reasonable lender. Now, all sides are still expected back in court on August 19th for the winding up hearing. Fern Carey, 7 Network News.